This is your outer corner or your outer V. I always have to open the fold because there's a fold, but today I am not that puffy. Can you see this? I am not that puffy today. Wow, this is looking good. I am now about to do the inner corner. Oh, remember I tried in a couple videos ago, I tried to put a transition color over my base, and I told you I will let you know if it kept the oil at bay. It did. It did keep the oil at bay. I had this thing all day, and I must say that way, that method truly helped my makeup stay in place. It did not change the color that much, and it did not soak through as fast as it used to. So that trick, that method work. I've tried a method with my base for when I'm putting foundation. I'll put a primer, I'll set my primer, and then I will put my foundation, my liquid foundation, or powder foundation, and it works really good. I've tried it with my eyes, but not very often, so that was a good try. So that does work. Setting my base does work. It makes my makeup less greasy and oily, because as you can see, very oily. So that is all over my face. I have very oily skin, so that did work. I have two matte colors down. Now I'm going to use a purple shimmer. today's look. I'm using this Sephora palette, and the colors I use are these. And this is what I created today. I know you can create something beautiful, so go ahead and create something beautiful. Today's inspirational and encouraging word is rejuvenate. Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate something in your life that you think that you're not able to. Rejuvenate your passion, rejuvenate your love for whatever it is that you like. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I simply make up a saying to go out, be fabulous, and live your beautiful life. Bye!